long story actually. So my first tattoo is the one on my wrist, and it says "Cov you." So basically, the story behind it is when my brother was little and he was writing in like letters, he wouldn't put the L, so he would do a C. So it's "Cov you," and then me and my mum started to say it to each other, and then we actually have matching ones, but she has "Cov you more." So the most meaningful one, probably that one, which is actually, it's lyrics from a song. You know Noah Kahan? Yeah. It says, "All lights turned off can be turned on." It's actually pretty deep. It's actually for my mum. I was being nice. And it basically means like, if I'm ever in a dark situation again, I always know she's there for me. It's deep, but I'm not gonna go too into it because I'll start crying and I don't want to cry. The daffodil I got for my debut in the Pinatar Cup. Has the date on. I kind of just sat there like, is it really happening? Because Liv was at the front presenting the shirt, so I knew something was going on. But then when she like actually had the shirt, I was a bit like, ooh, this soon? Yeah, after the game was sad because I didn't tell my parents to come out because I didn't think, you know, you're not going to play when you're, I think, what was I, 18? I think this was like my third tattoo I got as well. I don't know, just really love it. Daffodils. It's big sleigh, really. And my professional number at United, but that was also a year ago. Just messy mind is my personality. I think this is quite messy. Quite messy, but like delicate at the same time. Like I'm really sensitive. So it kind of, it's not like too bold, but it's not, I like to think I'm not boring. But it is very messy and here, there, everywhere, so. Yeah, that's the style I went for. First one felt like a little tickle. Because I only go single needle. Yeah, and I don't think I will ever get a painful one. I'm too scared. So I have this one, which is Trev. So it's basically Trev, but it's kind of, there's two meanings behind this one. There's the Lego club and my best friends at United, which is Leah, Jess and Rachel. I carry Trev everywhere. He's kind of like my safety blanket, but in a Lego figure. So that's why I have "Where's my mind?" Because actually my mind just goes 100 miles an hour all day, all night. So it's kind of a reminder to just slow down and take everything in. But again, it's a matching one with Leah, just with his little dungarees. They do help with my self-expression, but I think it's more so like little reminders to not be too sad. Like, where's my mind? Think about where my head's going, not too negative. And that one, like I say, like, there's another lyric in the song where it's like, give yourself a reason. And like, just trust myself and not get too sad or beat myself up over stuff. So it's kind of like a positive self-expression, I guess. Yeah. I wouldn't say I designed it, but it's this little voice note. And everyone thinks it's, you know, like a little note from a family member or a friend or a saying. But in actual fact, it's just my cat snoring. My cat designed it, if you want to say that. She was just snoring and I recorded it on my phone, zoomed out and bam, you have a tattoo. So this one, you may think it's just an ice cream because I'm random and I do like ice creams, but it's actually also for my cat. So I like cats, love cats, have 3 cats. Only have tattoo for 2 cats though, because one actually isn't mine. But this one, so it has Pip in the stick. Now my cat is called Pip, but for some reason I just decided I wanted to call her like Pipsicle, like a popsicle, ice cream. Do you see the correlation there? So that one's for my cat. This one is Muggle. It's for my little Harry Potter fixation, which I'm still in. This one is one I have with my best friend, Jess. Apparently everyone says we're joined by the hip, and I think it was just a cute one. I'm that one and Jess is that one. And then this one's probably my favourite tattoo, which doesn't really have a meaning, but it's a teepee. Now, you all know me, I love teepees since I was in high school. It's probably the only lesson, history, that actually kept me going in high school. I think this was actually the first tattoo I got after my autism diagnosis. And I think now that I look back at it, it actually kind of represents growth of getting to know myself. Imagine this, my next tattoo, I don't know where I'm gonna get it, probably somewhere to hide it because I don't think my mum approves, but the radioactive fish from the Simpsons, you know, the 3 eyes, because 3 is my favourite number, but I don't want to just get 3, like, might as well go big or go home. I do find them therapeutic. It's just fitting them in. Footballing schedules, havoc. You book a tattoo and then the next minute you've got training the next day that's not been planned for months. It is therapeutic though. It's like drawing therapy. That one definitely is, and that one. Because it's just, again, the little reminders that everything eventually will be okay. You just have to let the hard part pass.